Toughen Up, Building Resilience in English. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's as much about language as it is about life: toughen up. This phrase is not just about strength, but about resilience and endurance. Whether you're facing a challenging situation or striving to improve your English skills, understanding what it means to toughen up can be incredibly empowering. So, let's explore this phrase together and add another useful expression to your growing English vocabulary. When we say, toughen up, we're talking about becoming stronger and more able to deal with difficult situations. It's about developing a thicker skin, both literally and metaphorically. The word, tough, has many shades of meaning, but at its core, it represents strength and resilience. Literal sense, when materials or objects toughen up, they become harder and more difficult to break. Think of how leather becomes tough with use. Figurative sense, for people, to toughen up means to become more emotionally and mentally resilient. It's about facing challenges without being overwhelmed by them. Now, let's see how to incorporate toughen up into your conversations. Encouraging resilience, you've got to toughen up if you want to make it in this industry. Offering advice, toughen up, life is full of challenges, but you can handle them. Reflecting on personal growth, I really toughened up after traveling alone for a year. Notice how the phrase can be used to motivate, advise, or reflect. It's essential to understand the nuances of this phrase because it's not always appropriate to tell someone to toughen up. This phrase should be used with sensitivity and understanding, as everyone's situation is different. It's about encouraging growth, not dismissing feelings. Thank you for joining me today as we unpacked Toughen Up. Remember, learning a language is a fantastic way to naturally toughen up as you overcome the challenges of mastering English. I hope this video helps you not only understand the phrase better but also inspires you to embrace the journey of learning with resilience. Until next time, keep practicing, and don't be afraid to toughen up your language skills.